Morning guys, it's Joel Andrada. Kumusta? Morning guys, it's Monday, first day of the week, and I'm up early. It's 7:15. Remember to like this video. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit that bell notification so that you know whenever I upload a new video. You can also follow me on Facebook and on TikTok. What am I gonna do today? I have to go to the barangay office. It's gonna be one productive day. 12:30. So today, I'm planning to go to the barangay hall to get a barangay ID. So tatawagan muna natin sila para hindi sayang yung pagpunta ko doon kung pwede nang kumuha. Bakit kailangan ko ng barangay ID? May barangay clearance na ako, kaya lang kailangan ko daw ng barangay ID para makalabas ng isla so that I can go out whenever I want to. So let's see. Nag-ring. So walang sumasagot. Mukhang naka-lunch break sila. Kaya na muna mag-lunch. Same old ba? Ganun talaga. Ito yung routine ko eh. Malamang nagtatanong kayo ba't wala akong love life. Hindi ko rin alam eh. Oo, hindi ko alam. Siguro walang makasabay sa akin. Meron siguro sa una nakakasabay. Pero pagdating na sa kalagitnaan, naiiwan ko na. Or naiiwan ako kasi tulog pa ako. Ganito ba ako ever since? Hindi. Laging merong system. Yan. The schedule. For the longest time, I've worked for multinational companies. And the offices are usually in highly urbanized areas. Max! So, ibig sabihin, to get there, matatraffic ka muna. So, it would take about 1 hour, 2 hours of traffic along EDSA. It takes a lot of discipline for you to be able to do that routine day in, day out, diba? And I would spend the whole day in the office and usually start going home at say 7 p.m. Well, 5:30 to 7 yung time na yun. And would spend about 2 hours again on the road in traffic just to get home and be able to sleep for 4 hours, 5 hours, and then the next day, ganun na naman yung routine. I'm not saying na hindi ko nagustuhan yung routine na yun. Nagustuhan ko kasi naging buhay ko yun ng more than half of my life. So now that I'm living the island life, siguro parang medyo nanibago ako at first. Promise, nanibago ako at first. When I got here, I thought everyone was so slow. Like, for example, mag-set ng meeting ng 4 p.m. Darating yung mga yan, 6 p.m., 7 p.m., ganun. Tapos ako nandun na ako ng 3:30. Alam mo yan? So, by the time na mag-start yung meeting, 3 hours ay nakalipas. Bisit na talaga ako. Ganun yung during my first 3 months dito. Remember, if you recall, the reason why I came here was, one, of course, it has always been my dream to live on Boracay. 2, there was an opportunity for me to help out in the Phase 2 rehabilitation by staging events on the island that will help promote it to the world. Nax, diba? So, we staged the first ever drone film festival. I was one of the proponents of that.
Drone enthusiasts in this the very first invitation in the island. Welcome.
We invited drone enthusiasts from all over the world. There were about, I think, close to 20 drone enthusiasts who flew their drones, who studied basics of drone flying. Of course, ako yung nagturo. I also shared to them the CAAP regulations. Bulat naman si Shopee. The LGU regulations kasi iba din yun. Before they could even fly. We had about, I think, 10 entries, 10 film entries. And we did a film festival. It was a big event. Yeah, it was attended by a lot of people, the who's who on the island.
Ang ating mga judges for this pre-judges, lead accountant manager for tourism GCash, Miss Iris Beverly Lin. Head of the audiovisual content department of the DENR, Adona Sanjeg. Owner of SMG Computer Sales and Services in La Paz, Iloilo City, June Galigao. Businessman, consultant, Mr. Ryan Molina. He is a travel blogger, a director, a filmmaker. Mr. Joel Andrada.
Ladies and gentlemen, let us all welcome our host for tonight from Love Radio Calibo, DJ Ben Balasador, together with our celebrity host, Miss Antoinette Toss.
This is very historic, especially that tonight we are here gathered to celebrate the first ever drone film festival, not just in the country, but in the world.
Napaka-espesyal nitong Boracay Island Drone Film Festival. Kakasabi lang po niya, it is the first. And we are here tonight celebrating this together, of course, by the Boracay Interagency Task Force, the DENR, the DILG, the DOT, at syempre, ang LGU ng Malay.
Thank you very much for inviting us over, and congratulations to the organizers of this event. We thank you also for coming up with this kind of event. No, it also promotes our beloved Boracay and of course the Sustainability Week that we're having in lieu of the Lay Boracay.
For and on behalf of our local government unit of Malay, headed with our Mayor, Abraham L. Swalog, our gratitude and appreciation, especially to the Boracay Interagency Task Force for making this Sustainability Week. Sir, thank you very much, especially for recognizing the talents and passion of our drone enthusiasts. Palakpakan naman natin dyan. And of course, to our drone enthusiasts and facilitators, I hope this will be the beginning of more drone festival in our island of Boracay, because this is a great venue as we promote the island of Boracay in the upper way.
Nagpapasalamat po ako sa ating Panginoon na nabinigyan po ako ng lakas para po maitaguyod itong event na ito kahit po maraming challenges. And nagpapasalamat po ako sa aking kapartner sa project na ito, si Joel Joes Andrada. Sir, salamat po. And also to our supporter, director, Deputy Ground Commander, Sir Al Adolfo. Salamat, Sir Al.
Why we've done it here in Tindahan It Boracay? We've said that this place could be a green, an area for arts, an area for community activities, and at the same time, meeting place of the people of Boracay, where they would like to have a serene talk. So that's why we recognize this area and we put here the very first drone film festival in the Philippines, here in Boracay as well. Why also drone as one of the major events of the Sustainability Week? You know, it's quite smart. Why? Because it's a low-impact tourism activity. Just let these people fly the drone, but the impact in terms of social media content, it's so high. That's why we could promote the island in just 3 minutes, 5 minutes video of these people, and the whole world will see the beauty of the island. That's why we stage this. And LGU Malay, congratulations for deciding to put this in your calendar next year. So you will have second Boracay Festival next year already slated. Pasalamatan po natin yung LGU Malay. So we'll see each other here again.
For me, you're all winners. Drone enthusiasts, I hear this is the first Boracay Drone Film Festival. How good is that? A film festival for Boracay. It starts this year, but who knows, if we do it every year, it's going to be a tradition. We're setting a tradition. You won't be showing just your film, but you'll be helping for the sustainability of the environment of Boracay. Let's keep on loving Boracay because we have to save Boracay. And to the film enthusiasts and to the filmmakers, congratulations. Panalo na kayo. Panayo tayo lahat. Let's keep on saving Boracay. We all are winners. Let's please preserve this piece of paradise we call home, the Philippines. I love the Philippines. Ha? Mga buong Pilipinas, salamat po.
Joel Juliano!
Entry number 3!
We planned to stage it again this year, but unfortunately, it wasn't approved. But of course, since nandito naman ako, I'm willing to help out in any way that I can in promoting the island during the Love Boracay Festival. Love Boracay is, instead of Lay Boracay before, which meant 1 week of partying and trashing the island, basically. The LGU and the Boracay Interagency Task Force came up with Love Boracay. It's a 1-week-long event focusing on staging events that would advocate sustainability, tourism, of course, environmental protection. We weren't able to stage anything this year because of this freaking pandemic. So going back to my question, bakit nga ba ako walang jowa? Dahil ba dito?
Gusto ko na magka-jowa! Ang hirap mong landiin!
Mabait naman ako. I think. Wala lang siguro makasabay. Gosh, walang sumasagot. Ba't ganun? Ano, Ber? Walang sumasagot sa barangay. Hindi ko matawagan yung Balabag Action Center. May nakita ko sa Facebook. Ito. Yan. So, gusto kong puntahan kung totoo nga. Tara, puntahan natin. Let's go, guys. Ganito yung tsura natin, guys. Kasi nga, bawal lumabas. Pero pag inayos mo, kailangan lumabas. If you haven't liked my channel yet, click the subscribe button and hit that bell notification so that you'll be updated every time there's a new video uploaded. You can follow me on Facebook and on TikTok. This has been Joel Andrada, your friend, saying, I'm here to make you happy. Nax.